There is something common between you and me that is called the mental health. What about the disability population? Especially disability caused to chronic neurological conditions such as multiple sclerosis and Parkinson's disease. Multiple sclerosis is a nervous system disease in which the myelin sheath around the axons of the nerve cells of the brain and spinal cord are damaged. This damage or the demyelination leads to inability of the nervous cells function effectively. This demyelination also is cause for the communication problem between the brain and rest of the body. This demyelination leads to various signs and symptoms in our body. These signs and symptoms are differ person to person. This depends on the amount of nervous system damage or which nerves are damaged. Eventually, this demyelination will lead to permanent nervous damage or deterioration of nerves. What are the signs and symptoms of the multiple sclerosis? That is the musculoskeletal damage, the vision problem, speech problem, cognitive dysfunction, psychological, emotional and social well-being are affected. What about the Parkinson's disease? Parkinson's disease is the degenerative nervous system disease. It is also associated with the basal ganglia of the brain and the dysfunction of the neurotransmitter that is called the dopamine. The Parkinson's disease, the nerve cells is gradually the function is deteriorating and finally die. This leads to the symptom of the muscular rigidity, the tremor and balance issues, and also change in the speech, and also changes in the writing and various signs and symptoms. What are the intervention is required for the chronic neurological condition? Here it is very important to provide the multi-sensory approaches to enhance or to give the effective service those who are affected the chronic neurological condition. The multidisciplinary approaches, that is, what is that? Such as that include the regular neurologist consultation, other medical professional, occupational therapist, physiotherapist, speech therapist, and psychological intervention. What are the psychological intervention exclusively need for the chronic neurological condition? That is, number one is for the neuropsychological intervention to enhance their cognitive dysfunction, such as memory, learning, and other higher order cognitive function. Number two, psychotherapeutic intervention is required because to enhance or to modify or to change their anxiety, depression, sleep disorder or any other disorder, psychiatric disorder. Number three, the psychological intervention, that is to enhance the self-esteem, to enhance the self-confidence, self-image, self-determination, to setting the life goal to achieve in a particular manner, that the psychological intervention, and also for to regulate the emotional balance and to enhance the emotional regulation, and also to enhance the emotional maturity, the coping capacity, and the problem solving and decision making skill. And finally, the social interventions are to enhance in the public setup, to enhance their communication, to enhance their life skill or life modification, to enhance their social skill, and also to engaging them in a very effective manner in our environment setup, to occupying in a various specific methods, technique, using this method and technique to engaging them very effectively in our country. Thank you.